Well, I'm gonna be back to welding today. A little bit. Hey, look, a cat. Where are you going? Bye. Yep, I'm gonna show y'all what I've done on the engine a little bit. If I can get the engine up, I mean the hood up. All right. There we go. Okay, as you can see, I just removed the smog pump. Okay, and I'll show you the smog pump here. It's in the back of my van, and it's right here. And you can see, here. Let me just put y'all on my tripod here. Get everything here set up there. Alright. You can see. And I tried to turn it. It ain't gonna turn. I put a screwdriver in there. Turn it. Nothing. It's dead. Oh well. $72 for another one. I'll lock my van down. Okay. For the fun part here. Okay, well, my old one melted to it, so I gotta go get a new one real quick. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got a brand new, you can see here, brand new welding tip. Let's put this on here real quick. Tips back on. We're putting some gloves on here. I'm gonna put it where y'all can see. Check and see. Y'all can see what I'm doing. Alright. Got a little patch I'm gonna do underneath there. So, what fun it is to see me weld. Y'all enjoy. Hold to it, damn it! Okay. It's welded now. Alright. Alright. Hope y'all are enjoying this, but see, you got it welded there. Ugly welds. But I got to weld a little bit more up there. And right in there, but I'm going to put a patch panel right over this thing. This is just be a backing for the patch, because this here needs a lot more patching work. But the new patch has to come from here over to here. It's got to go all the way here, so that's got to be grounded down a little bit. But other than that, you can see here the difference. Good metal, tinny, thicker metal, tinny. Yeah, it's not gonna be tinny no more. And I finally got this welded. Nope, I didn't. Well, I can only weld something if there's something to weld to, and ain't nothing to weld to there, so we'll fix that. I'm working on it. I'm gonna get it fixed. I want to put it on maximum and get it down on old. having fun playing with this thing. Alright. Y'all have a good one. I'll be right here trying to fix this damn thing. Alright, bye.